Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition. Now, this vehicle does come with 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. Now we do have the LED headlights as well as the black Kindergirls, full M Sport styling kit, so you do get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. Now, this vehicle does also come with the black tile styling, so you do have the black wing mirrors as well as the black window trim and also the privacy glass on the rear. Now, we do also have the rear parking sensors as well as dual exit exhaust flush with a rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now, this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now, if we go to the front, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now, we do have full Dakota leather seats throughout, which are extremely comfortable. On the doors, you have your electric windows with your integrated Harman speakers. Jumping inside, you have your auto lights. Put your foot on the brake, we do also have the keyless start. Now, as you can see, it is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and is covered, when the light goes off, just over 55,000 miles. Now, we do have a multifunction steering wheel, cruise control and speed limiter, and also paddle shift on the rear. If we just take the car into manual mode, we have auto wipers, also auto high beam assist and BC just there. We do have the screen in the centre, we do have satellite navigation, media connectivity where we do have DAB radio, scroll down we have FM, AM, CD, Bluetooth audio, USB just there as well. We also have Bluetooth phone connectivity, navigation, pop it to reverse, you can see the rear parking sensor just there. Coming back off that, we do have different drive modes where we do have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also Sports Plus. Now, coming down here, you do have your dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, with ice cold aircon, and we also have 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings rear does make all the difference. Coming down here, you do have storage tray, 2 nice sized cup holders just in there. You can turn traction control on and off, as well as your drive mode select, and this is what you use to control everything happens on your screen. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath, and there's a quick look at the passengers full the Dakota leather front seat with the extended thigh support just there, just like the driver's seat. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.